So you might be wondering, did the bug get fixed? The answer is yes. So just to show you the process, we submitted the bug to Percona and Oracle in May. We also included a link to our GitHub repo for a Vagrant box where they could reproduce the system lock. And then we just shared it with people. So Facebook's MySQL team, they find bugs as well. They talk about MySQL a lot. And they've said if you have a bug, you have to get followers to make them pay attention, right? So we sent it out to everybody, to all of our product team, to all of our engineers. And we got a lot of followers on this bug, and we were ranked number 3, the third bug in terms of highest ranking in Percona. So a couple of weeks, this Percona engineer verified the bug. So we're like, yes, okay, he sees it too. It's exciting. We loved his beard. So, we went with it.
Computer science guy, does he?
I'll stay away from him.
And then, no, he's awesome. He was really cool. He was really helpful. And then 2 months later, this Percona engineer was assigned to the bug. So a lot of times you'll see bugs. They're submitted. Maybe they're verified, but they never get assigned. That means they're like, yeah, it's happening, but we don't think it's a big enough problem to fix. So after 2 months, we got assigned the bug. We had this party in the engineering room, just like, yes, okay, something's going to happen. And then finally, my last week at work before I came back to start my PhD, it was a great week for me. The fix was committed, and then he merged it into master for MySQL 5.6.25. So right now, you should be on 5.6.26. In May, it was 5.6.24. Didn't have the fix, it had the bug. In August, he merged 5.6.25 into master, and if you're taking the most recent version, it has the fix. So let's look closer at the fix. It's these 3 lines. Some sizes, sorry, the color doesn't show up. So some sizes plus was the row that was deleted, was the line that was deleted, and then these 2 lines are the lines that were inserted. So looking at that closer, we deleted plus some sizes, that increment, and we change it to if n pages is greater than 0. That means if there are actually pages to merge for this table, then increment it. If there's no changes to actually merge, please don't increment this variable. Leave it at 0 so we can exit the loop. And so you see it will return n bytes, and then n bytes can be 0, and we can exit the loop. And SystemBot session 3, demonstrating the fix in MySQL. I'll leave that as a homework for you.
So of course, Oracle paid you millions of dollars.
Oracle paid us millions of dollars. Yeah.
So a couple quick announcements before you take it. That was phenomenal, and she referred to so many things that we'll get to later. So we may come back to some questions. But understanding transaction processing and locks and E+ trees, I suspect a lot of you don't know, But anyway, thank you. That was wonderful.
Thank you.
Yes, the homework has been extended till Sunday. Okay, Moodle's updated for that. I also, just because this guy's going to be out of town next week, your midterm is the following. Okay, you're welcome. So, thanks. That was great. That was wonderful.